Hello, you've landed on Mosul Fee, your ultimate guide to e-commerce success. This is the place where we demystify the world of online business, offering you valuable tips and strategies to navigate the e-commerce landscape. Our mission at Mosul Fee is to arm you with the knowledge and tools to build your own successful online venture. We're committed to helping you turn your e-commerce dreams into reality. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to a successful dropshipping business. Before we delve into the steps, let's first understand what dropshipping is. At its core, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method, but with a unique twist. Think of it this way: you have an online store, but unlike traditional retail models, you don't keep any inventory of the products you sell. Sounds unconventional, right? But here's the catch. Whenever a customer places an order, you purchase that item from a third party, often a manufacturer or wholesaler. This third party then ships the product directly to the customer. So you, as the retailer, never actually handle the product. You're essentially a middleman connecting the customer with the supplier. And the beauty of it all? You only buy a product after you've made a sale, which significantly reduces the financial risk. Now that we know what dropshipping is, let's go through the steps of building a successful dropshipping business. Building a successful dropshipping business requires a well-planned strategy. The first step, ladies and gentlemen, is finding a profitable niche. It's not about selling everything under the sun, but rather focusing on a specific category of products that have a high demand and low competition. It could be something you're passionate about or a gap in the market that you've identified. Do your research, study market trends, and understand your target audience. Next, you need to source a reliable supplier. This step is vital because your supplier is essentially your business partner. Look for suppliers who have good reviews, offer quality products, and can deliver on time. Remember, your reputation is on the line, so choose wisely. Once you've found your niche and supplier, it's time to build your e-commerce website. This is your storefront, your first impression. It needs to be user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for conversions. There are several platforms available, like Shopify or WooCommerce, that offer easy-to-use tools to build your site. Make sure your product descriptions are detailed and enticing, your images are high quality, and your checkout process is seamless. The fourth step is implementing a customer acquisition strategy. This involves using various marketing techniques to drive traffic to your site and convert visitors into customers. SEO, content marketing, email marketing, social media advertising, the list goes on. It's about finding the right mix that works for your business. Finally, analyze and optimize your business. This is an ongoing process. Use analytics to understand your customers' behavior, identify what's working and what's not, and make necessary adjustments. Constantly improving your business is key to staying competitive and profitable in the long run. Remember, each step is crucial and requires your utmost attention. It's not a walk in the park, but with determination, focus, and a well-planned strategy, you can build a successful dropshipping business. Let's quickly recap the key points we've covered today. We kicked off by introducing you to the world of dropshipping, a business model that allows you to sell products directly to the consumer without holding any inventory. It's an exciting venture with minimal risk and potentially high rewards. We moved on to discuss the steps to building a successful dropshipping business. First and foremost, we emphasized on the importance of choosing a niche. It's essential to select a specific product category you're passionate about, as this passion will fuel your drive to succeed. Next, we highlighted the need for a reliable supplier. Remember, your supplier is essentially your business partner. Their ability to deliver quality products on time directly affects your reputation. We also talked about creating a compelling website. Your online store is your first impression to potential customers, so make it count. Invest in high-quality product images and write persuasive product descriptions. Lastly, we discussed marketing strategies. From SEO to social media advertising, your marketing efforts will be the driving force behind your sales. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Mosul Fi for more e-commerce insights. Leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos. Remember, your success is our goal. Keep striving, keep learning, and see you in the next video.
If you found this content valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And hey, if you have any thoughts, questions, or just want to say hi, drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you all. Until another episode, goodbye.